Welcome. Today, we're diving into something that can make your Gmail experience so much easier: how to snooze emails on Gmail. Whether you're managing work messages, personal reminders, or just trying to keep your inbox a little cleaner, this simple trick can help you stay organized and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where the email you want to snooze is located. Once you're in your inbox, find the email you want to deal with later. You can either open it normally, or if you're scanning through a list of messages, simply tap and hold that email without opening it. Next, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots. That's your menu button. Tap on those dots, and from the options that appear, choose Snooze. Depending on your version of Gmail, you might also see a small clock icon somewhere near the top. That's the same feature the Snooze option just presented with a convenient icon. When you tap Snooze, Gmail will now ask you to pick when you'd like this email to come back. It's like pressing a pause button for your message. You can choose from preset times, such as tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. Or if you want full control, select Pick Date and Time. There, you can set the exact moment you want that email to reappear in your inbox, just like a brand new message waiting for your attention. Once you've chosen your time, tap Save or Done, and the message will disappear from your inbox for now. Don't worry, it hasn't gone anywhere. It's safely tucked away in your snoozed folder, ready to pop back up exactly when you need it. That's it. You've successfully snoozed an email in Gmail. It's a quick and powerful feature that helps you take control of your inbox, manage your time better, and focus on what matters most right now. Try it out and see how much smoother your email routine can be.